Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, whenever you watch this. For today's video, I wanted to do, as I said in the title, I want to do a really nice glam black smoky eye, glittery black smoky eye for the New Year's. I feel like this is such a staple if you want to like really take your look to the next level and really rock it out and just want to like bang your whole family and friends. This is the kind of look that you want to go for. And yeah, I really like the way it turned out. So if you want to get this look and know how to get it, know how to do it, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I already prepped my lids and I used the Milani concealer, the Perfect and Conceal, because I wanted white canvases on my lids. I didn't want any veins popping out. This is a perfect concealer for it. It just really blanks out everything without it being very heavy, and you already know this, I already mentioned it. I'm gonna be using the Soft Glam palette. I'm gonna actually just go in and deep dive in the shade Noir, which is obviously black, and I'm just gonna pop all this all over my lid. Hopefully this will turn out well. Wow guys, this is really black. Like I didn't expect this to be that black. I didn't expect it to be super black, but this is a great base for the glitter that I'm gonna put on. And so what I wanna do is I wanna put in the black in the sense that I can open my eyes and you can see it and you can still see it. So I'm not even gonna take more product, I'm just gonna pat it out to kind of quote unquote blend it out. Let's hope this works well because I didn't set my concealer. But yeah, I'm not even taking any more product, I'm just patting it out. Don't worry, it might look crazy, but it's gonna get better. And see, this is what I wanted. I just wanted that for me to open my eyes and to see black popping out, just because this is a very black smoky eye that I want to do. And I'm gonna do the same thing on my other eye. Okay, and I'm gonna take this MAC, I can't even read the numbers anymore because it's super used out. And I'm gonna take the shade, I'm gonna go with the shade Rustic, which is kind of like a light brown, as you can see. And I'm gonna tap it out and I'm gonna lightly blend the edges around that black to smoke it out. I'm gonna take another brush because as you can see this is very dirty. I'm gonna take this one just because I want to be really precise about how I want to smoke it out, because it's really about being precise of where you want to blend things out, as it's actually working really well. These BH Cosmetic brushes are top notch. Top notch. I'm gonna take the shade Tempera, which is kind of like a blank canvas situation. I'm gonna tap that out and I'm gonna clean my brow, my whole brow. I'm gonna really try to clean that out. This is the first time I've done something so cool tone. So far so good. Go ahead and go into the shade Orange Soda, which is kind of like a light orange, just to kind of blend everything together, all the browns and all that shebang, without adding any more dark colors. The black is actually being a little patchy where it's being blended out, but I'm just gonna roll with it until I add the glitter, and then we'll see how that looks, and then we'll keep working from there. But we can always go back to Rustic and when you're using these kinds of brushes, always take in the part that you blended out. Like if it's black, use it the same angle that you did, because if not, that's gonna happen. And again, I'm gonna take the thin fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend that out. It's a lot of patience and blending, but I mean essentially it's taken less than 10 minutes. And I'm just gonna do the whole other eye and then we're gonna jump into the glitter, and that is pretty much it. Just to add the final touch of this look, I'm gonna use the Colourpop shade Friskie to kind of finish this New Year's smoky eye situation. I'm going to take my pinky and I'm just going to put this all over my lid. Obvious advice, don't do your face before this. Just look at that sparkle. It's just, it takes everything to a whole nother level. And I'm just gonna do that on the other eye as well. So it looks crazy, obviously, because my face is super dirty. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend a little out between the shimmer and the lid. And I'm just gonna take actually orange soda. Again, I'm gonna take a little bit of burnt orange in between these two to kind of make like a mix of light, these two, to kind of make a mix of light brown. I'm gonna apply some more glitter here because it got blown away. I'm gonna clean this up and then I'm gonna do my face and show you the products that I use as I go. And then we're gonna finish the eye by doing the lower lash line, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, so as you can see, I tried to keep my face as light as possible. I want the focus to be on the eyes. This is a very full glam experience, but I always like to keep my skin very nicely fresh. I'm gonna take this clean pencil brush and I'm gonna go ahead and go into first orange soda because that's my transition shade for the whole look. So far, it sounds stupid, but this is one of my favorite shades of the palette. Okay, yeah, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take another pencil brush and I'm just gonna take the shade Rustic and kind of like go in, instead of the way I did at the beginning, I'm gonna go ahead and go from light to dark. And I'm gonna go ahead and use Rustic. I'm gonna put it close to the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take an even smaller pencil brush, which is gonna be I'm gonna go ahead and clean this. All my brushes are always dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade More, and I'm gonna tap that out, and I'm gonna just like very closely to the lower lash line take this. Yeah, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a flat brush, which I don't know why I didn't use this for the black, but whatever. And I'm gonna take again the shade Friskie. I'm gonna go ahead, pat it in there, right? Rub it in there and line really, really close to the lower lash line, really, really close, without even smoking it out. I'm just gonna pat it there to kind of have that sparkliness. Ooh. And I'm gonna actually take my Essence liner because the other ones need to sharpen. That's why I love these kinds of liners. I don't need to take care of them. And I'm gonna line my lower lash line. The difference, bro. The difference. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and then we're gonna do the lip and the finished look. Alright, you guys, eyes are done. I added the Stila liquid shadow in King Karma. I didn't use the golden one because that one was run out on the inner corners, just to give it like a lighter pop other than the actual dark eyes. Like I wanted to lighten them up a little in the insides. And yeah, face is done. I put the mascara on. I used the Lancôme Monsieur Big Mascara. I'm gonna take the Morphe lip gloss in Freestyle and see how that looks. Oh yeah, this is the one. You can go a little pinker, but I wanted to keep it muted down. And I don't have, you know what would look good, a peachy color, like a peachy pink, but I don't have a peachy pink. So I think that would really tie in the look, but I really like it because it's very muted down, so the whole focus is on my eyes. And what I like about this look, specifically is that whether you have very dark eyes or very light colored eyes, this will make them pop. Like, no matter what color eye you have, it's gonna pop because it's a lot of darkness around them that it's just gonna make them, like, whoever you look, they're just gonna look into your eyes and it's just gonna be like super sexy and whatnot. I love it. I love this kind of look. I think it just takes you to the next level. So yeah, you guys, this is the complete look. I really, really like it. I feel like it keeps the face very fresh, as I've said a million times, and it just like brings it to the next level, as I said before. So if you like this look, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!